everyone, today I will discuss about plant parenting. In this I have adopted two different plants of coriander and mint. Daily I have watered both the plants at the accurate time. Side by side I made it sure that each of them gets accurate sunlight. I have given an accurate amount of fertilizers according to their specific requirement. I have given specific attention to mint plant. I have talked to it nicely and was appreciative of the plant. According to me, I have seen a little difference in the growth of the plant. As mentioned above, I have talked nicely to the mint plant, and comparatively, mint plant's growth is more than other plants as per me. It can be because I have given special attention to this plant. From both mint and coriander, my inclination was towards mint plant more. My feelings for the mint plant were obvious as I was extra nice, appreciative, and given compliments to the plant. Regardless of this, I have given accurate fertilizers, water, and sunlight to both the plants. I have to select both the plants. I would like to select mint as a house plant. Beside my inclination towards it, there are various other reasons for which I have chosen mint. Mint plant is rich in nutrients, helps in digestion, and improves brain function. It is also a potent of antioxidants, especially when compared to other herbs and spices. Antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress, a type of to damage cells caused by free radicals. It will be useful for our family members in various ways. Thank you.